this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you once again with another Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that was sent in by a guy named... His name's spelled Daniel, but I'm guessing it could be pronounced Danielle down there. Anyway, thank you. This is Nissin Lamien from Brazil, and this is their light. Looks like it says it's 25% less calories, and I believe this is vegetable flavor, not only from the wording but from the color of the package. And it's a 3 minutes and 400 milliliters kind of affair. So I've got the water boiling, so let's get it started. This one, you throw the noodle block in first. Here's what that looks like. Kind of a tight weave on the noodles. There we go. So, what is going on? We got dumped on last night. We got inches of snow. It was amazing. It was fun and cool. We went outside, had a blast in it, and it's still here, although the temperatures are warming up. But we're supposed to have like winter mix, that kind of stuff. Snow rain mix, sleet, hail. I don't know. We'll see what happens. We haven't gone anywhere in like a week now. Well, no, not a week, but it seems like it. I'm like freaking... I want to get all this. I want to get all my stuff for my noodles. My mung bean sprouts are going bad. I mean, they're pretty much bad right now. They expire today. But yeah, this is the expiration date on them is today. So yeah, not my happiest kind of thing to have happen. But it happens, and so I just have to deal with the fact that if we don't get out today and we can't find mung bean sprouts, then tomorrow will be a sproutless day. Onions are going bad too. But yeah, I've got that. And then, again, no school. And my wife's working from home today. Yeah, so kind of one of those, I don't know, it's only Tuesday. I should be like, oh wow, it's Tuesday already, but I don't know. Weekends seem more and more out of reach, because it's like, I don't know, long weeks. It's like I can never get caught up on the website stuff and the video stuff. Oh, and I found out yesterday morning I was going to get the top 10 Japan list all said and done. Guess what? It's gone. I've got to re-record it. I went and I rendered it with the green screen and all that good stuff for the background. And then all I had to do was all the heavy editing. Didn't save it. It just has like a AAC file sitting there. It's like, ugh. It's rough. Seriously rough. I guess I could try doing an undelete in that folder, but I have a feeling it's toast. So yeah, and of course I was thinking like, oh no, I never delete the originals until I'm done editing. I deleted it. Yeah, so I don't know, it seems like they should be somewhere, but they are not. So that's a bummer. So on this one, what happens sometimes is a seasoning sachet will really get very compressed. And basically, the compressed sachet ends up turning into these little nuggety things. And it's a pain in the butt. Hopefully this one won't prove to be that way. This has happened to me quite a few times, actually. I think it has to do with moisture content of the sachet versus, well, age does come into it. But, what? What? Uh-oh. What's the matter, kid? This smells like chili cheese flavor. Like, no joke. This totally smells like chili cheese. I have a feeling it won't taste like chili cheese. But these noodles sucked up most of the broth, and I think that's just kind of a thing. Brazilian stuff tends to be very thick, which is fine with me. Alright. Let's give this a plaid rotation. You alright, Miles? What's the matter? Wow. For a vegetable flavor, that's like the last way I would think it would taste. Not only that, it's really good. Let's dunk this in here. Here's our Brazilian Lamien. I really don't have a lot. Use some of this spring onion. I've got mung bean sprouts, but I don't see how they will look nice in this. I'm going to use some shichimi togarashi. This stuff is really good. It's like a pepper blend. And it usually does pretty well on stuff. And of course, it's Japanese. And, oh, why not? Let's use some sesame seeds. I usually use the black ones lately, but I'm going to use some of the non. I'll use the Mutanoid Caucasoid. If you can name the song where that comes from, then you get 20 points. And I bet you a lot of you can. Yeah. So, oh, we got to do the rotation time. So let's turn it on up. Alright, so there you go. This is Nissin Lamien from Brazil. Vegetable light flavor. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your pancreas. And catch you later. Bye.